All right, so how do we find slope? So we talked about slope, we talked about zero slope, we talked about positive and negative, but how do we find it? Well, remember, slope is just the rise over the run. So that means the change in y over the change in x. Boy, none of this makes sense to you at all, I know. What this means is, how much do I go up as I run this way? Okay, so how much do I go up as I run in a certain direction? And really, that just is like this. I mean, the change in y, the y value, over the change in x, okay, the x value. Let me show you visual. So let's say I got 2 points, 4, 2, and I got the point 7, 5. Here they are. They're just hanging out. They're on a graph. How do I figure out the slope between them? Well, what I have to do is I know that they're going to create a line, right? But that doesn't make me find the slope. Instead, what I have to do is I have to think about, how much is it changing? How much is it rising? And then how much does it run? And I take these distances here, okay, and then I divide them. So whatever this is over this, right? And so there's a formula for it, and it's m. And man, I don't know why it's called m. I can't tell you, but m means slope. I guess s was taken. I don't know. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so this is the slope formula. Well, why do you got all those x's and 1's and 2's? And well, it's pretty easy. Basically, this refers to one of your y's. This refers to your other y value. This refers to one of your x's and another x. It's basically, you label these. So like this, 4, 2, this would be x1, y1. This would be x2, y2. You got to keep the 2's with the 2's and the 1's with the 1's. But basically, that's it. And then what you do is you plug that in. And so y2 is 5 minus y1 is 2 over 7 minus 4. Okay? Which will equal 3 over 3, which is 1. And so what this means is that as it rises 3 units, it runs 3 units, and therefore the slope would be 1. Okay, and that's how it works. So you can do that for anything. And that makes sense because this is a positive slope, right? It's going up from left to right, and this makes this positive here. So if it was going down, then this number right here should be negative. Okay?